Right, so hello guys, right, if you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you. Today, we're here to learn this neat little stick tangle. So please stay tuned if you wish to learn it. First of all, what you need to do is you need to make sure you're bringing your right hand up to your right shoulder. If you're left-handed, you're bringing your left hand up to your left shoulder. Next of all, what you need to do, you need to make sure that your finger is on top of the rope. That is very, very important. Next of all, what you need to do is with your finger on top of the rope, you're going to bring this chuck up to your right shoulder. So right hand, right shoulder. Next of all, you need to get used to this flicking motion, almost like you're going like this, but you're not. You stop in here and you're flicking your wrist like so. Do you see this flick? Yeah, it's that flick which is going to get this to rotate around your finger. So remember, this finger on top of the rope, and as you're bringing this out, as you see, it'll go to wrap around my fingers, yes? I am letting the nunchuck go, and as I'm letting the nunchuck go, I'm going to flick my fingers. That is going to cause this to rotate around my finger, okay? So, in slow-mo, the move will look like this. Next of all, once you have got that finger roll there, you need to pencil grip your nunchuck with your forefinger and your middle finger. Next of all, what you need to do is you need to wrap this around this stick, but instead of wrapping it like this, you're just going to throw it round. Okay, you are aiming for this part of the stick here, the rope here, and the top of the stick to fold around the stick. Okay, but then you're just going to let it go. It's going to make roughly about 2 rotations, and you're going to grab it on this side. Okay, so the move, all in one motion, will look like this. So, I hope this helps you out. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please remember to smash that notification bell if you wish to learn more Nunchaku content. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you again soon, guys.